Spelling of exercise. Okay, the word exercise is spelled as exercise. This is size. Okay, exercise. The critical part is here, er. Okay, x you can easily remember, but you can forget here, er. Then this is another part, size. So it has three syllables. You need to look at this syllable, exercise. Say it slowly, exercise. Exercise. Okay, let me help your brain to memorize this spelling easily. X, think of X as in your ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend. Then R, remind yourself of her. From her you need to take ear. Then size, which rhymes with slice or size, right? S-I-Z-E, size, rhymes with slice or size. So you can create a phrase like X her slice to help you remember, to help remind you of the spelling. X her slice, X her slice, X her size. Okay?